How to verify your email on Binomo.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to verify your email on Binomo.com, first of all open up a web browser and type in Binomo.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Binomo.com account like you normally do, and once you're signed into the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on Profile in the expanded menu, and inside the account details page, scroll all the way down and you'll see a confirm button right next to your current email. Click on that. You'll receive an email inbox. Go open up your email service provider's inbox. Open up the inbox for the same email that you have registered in Binomo.com. Click open the email that you received from Binomo where it says confirm your email. Once you do that, click on confirm email and then your email will be verified. If you didn't receive the email, you can also check the spam folder or the promotion folders. So right after you do that, your email will be confirmed or verified. Your account will have a confirmed contact address which can help with account security and account related actions. So there you have it. That is how you can easily confirm or verify your email on Binomo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.